Okay, 2026 Underground Sound Cypher. Let's see how everybody did this year, bro. Because what even is this? This is a minion?
I'm 42, and this is the 2026 Underground Sound Cypher.
How is he balding already?
Swag. Swag.
Hold on.
Swag.
Captain Swag.
Swag. Swag. Swag. Swag. Swag. Swag. Count swag. Swag. Count swag. Traffic. Count swag. Boom. Count swag. Swag. Count swag. Coming to your trap.
Okay, minion.
Count swag for your bitch. She said my swag like heaven. I'm the type of nigga walk into your trap with no socks. You the type of nigga to get.
Okay, minion. I'm not gonna lie, this minion's actually going off.
I be seeing numbers, bitch. I feel like I'm in black ops. Bitch, I'm swagged out, so I went to the grocery store. I ain't see the whore, so a nigga left the grocery store. She ain't sucking.
What?
Then a nigga don't wanna talk no more. I'm so swagged up, you can see it coming out my pores. Cow swag flex on Rolex like he been 10. Why these niggas flexing shit that a nigga been? Out flexing me, nigga. I don't think there's no way. I'm so high, I went to Chick-fil-A on a Sunday.
Facts. That's how I'm feeling. No cap. Who done that before? Nah, hold on. I'm not gonna lie though. He is low-key speaking facts. Cause how many times have you been like, bro, you know what I'm hungry for, bro? Chick-fil-A, and it's Sunday, bro. How many times? It only happens with Chick-fil-A, dude. Are we serious right now? Who this he? Who Moom and Daddy? This is rapping like it's 2021, I'm not gonna lie. You know it's bad when Too Slimy the only one you recognize? Damn. Is that how bad it is, guys? Who this guy? Hold on. That was low-key tough, I'm not gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I love me some auto-tune, bro. Y'all could be out rapping and doing all this cool shit, but like, once you hit that little chill flow, like, you got me. I ain't gonna lie. Let's hear this shit.
Stop letting them gas you up. Just know that we slide, nigga, we turn it up. Got all types of hoes, don't know who to choose. Shit, I just need me a nut. Got a young nigga mad, she still with the game. Boy, she said you a plug. If you saying it's up, it's stuck. Now these niggas mad at us. I stay out the way, I'm counting my hundreds, confused, I'm running it up. Just pop me a 10, I'm back.
What is this Underground Cypher? Is this just everyone doing a little fucking promo? I miss when it was one beat that everyone rapped on. Why is it like... Why is everybody getting their own little song? Cause like even the whole mix is completely different on this one. It sounds quieter.
Shit, I got coffee and leg. What's your hoe and I'm rocking the bed. Play with me, I'ma fill you with lead. No cap, I'ma aim for the head. All these bitches, they know I'm the man. All these bitches, they know I'm the man.
Who's this? What? What?
My bitch the same.
What? Whoa! Yo, I was not expecting that. Yo, I was not expecting that.
Yeah, yeah. Both my bitch the same. Both my car the same. Right stop, put on chain.
Hey,
Went from none to fame. Rock out on my pain. Same with all my hoes. I stayed in my lane. Meantime, I rip my jeans. Hellcat got no key. I'm losing my speech. Geek, I'm having weed. I go through the weeds. I'm still pulling weeds. Run me like a gene. Yeah, she treat me like Jesus. I'm going overseas. Celine double G. I make all my peace. Above my bitches, take it pieces down. Right the star, I'm bouncing inside my seat. It's how you keep it up. Both my bitch the same. Both my car the same.
this really is just a little promo battle, though. Really, dude. I was expecting a. Cyphers just are not it, bro. Really, dude? What happened in the game I love? What happened in the game I love? Oh my god. Dude. Seriously, what am I listening to here? Who is this, Chud? You know he smells like shit, dude. Oh my god.
I send a nigga like DBS. You don't do shit for your life, but get hammered. Telling up on a pull less in your chest. Yeah, I'm pulling my pocket, no ace out of dance. Should've went murder for a honey wrist. Saying my tone like popping one number. Yeah, for they know they surprise you a bitch. Nigga got fist, now hoe getting candy. I'm a little truth, putting lines of tryst. They got time for that deal. They got time for that deal. Jet ran like a bill. Then nigga net like the deal. Then nigga tell that still taking years in the seal. Nigga myself in here. These nigga pay for that hand drill, vision and wheel. I'm not separate by me. I'm not separate by me like. I'm not separate by me. Tryna bounce some shit like Kevin and Kill. And that patch the mill. He can play these niggas I saw. Had these niggas shot down. But the church got a lot for that bomb. None of them niggas.
What the fuck is this shit? What the fuck is this shit? That was genuinely. Oh my god.
16 on 26. Look, I'm these are funny.
Oh! Yo, my ears are so confused. My ears are so confused.
Fuck that lineup, this shit weak. Look at me, Mario, you made it geek. How to pick who high to me, who fly to me, nobody beat. Now I got racks put on my head, get a hoe, he love, follow me. Boy, you keep that bitch on right the way she swallow me. Mask up like it's Halloween, grab F and then my shooter purse. G2 type for G19, put a pole inside her purse. Hang out another that little boy scared to shoot. I tell him go to church, show what I want, fuck what I like, bitch. I got
Who is this, bro? It's all randoms these days, dude. What even happened to the game I love? This is why Spotify posted that shit today, bro. Y'all seen them billboards? Boom with Eddie.
Saw the devil in Minneapolis, that bitch, she steady grinning. I just rolled a joint and twisted like my fucking dreads are thinning. I'm a mogul, I invest in women, proxy next to Finnet. Feel like I'm the best up in my fucking class, yeah, I admit it. I'm so hungry, stomach spinning, my music bumping, drums are hitting. Like the ocean tides are shifting, no, it's my time, I've been sprinting. No, I'm not like other niggas, and my bitch not other women. Niggas asking for some substance and they put like nothing in it.
Bitch on my dick, on my mama, on my slap a bitch. Bitch on the knees. Calm capping, I could teach you how
really,
to
dude.
Niggas is a passion. 20/20 vision, as a kid I wanted glasses. Niggas is not either. Might be fasting. I don't want the beat without the 4-step and the clapping. Tricks off the kids like the motherfucking rabbit. If I see some money, gotta grab it. Need a speaker knocking, told them niggas turn the speakers up. Get a chicken like some Popeyes, I'ma piece you up. Bitch, I gotta deal with the Jews, yeah, they lease me up. Smoke
what?
Weed, then that nigga with Khalifa. I'm a flexer up the bankrolls on the teachers. Back in high school, I had bankroll in the bleachers. Y'all swimming into seas. I just put a deuce in a Sprite, 2 liters.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck did I just watch? Dude! What the fuck was that? Japanese Cypher, what is this?
Hold the fuck up!
Okay. UDG Freshman Cypher. Let's see this one.
Hold the fuck up! Wait a motherfucking minute, wait a minute!
Yo, the shit's way louder, I'll tell you that fucking much. I don't know why the last video audio was like literally low as fuck. Okay, look, okay, hold on. Okay, listen though. See the difference with this though? The difference with this is that it actually has like a melody and like harmony. Yo, like this actually has like a correct music theory melody that like makes sense. So it like the melody like makes you feel how music is supposed to make you feel. Like, dude, the last shit, oh my god, they be pitching this shit ridiculously. It just doesn't even feel like music. Asian net spend is crazy. Hey, fucking yo. He's low-key aura farming. He low-key gay as hell. But he aura farming, I'm not gonna lie. Like, that's the confidence you need, though. Look at, that's like Roderick from the new movies, bro. Bro, swag, dude, all their fits are so fucking crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, like, I can't be the only one, bro. All their fits are fucking ridiculous, like insane. They're way better than the last guys. Bro's balding. Yo, who else caught that?
Hey, hey, here it goes for the play. All in all, play hard. Yo, it's big nose, better, Benjo there. So, what the fuck is that?
Asian Rich Amiri. I'm not gonna lie, this is so fucking tough. Oh my god, wait, no, not the song. The song's tough too? Song is tough too? Do-rag? Under a beanie? But it's not done? And it's loose? Oh my fucking god. That is so tough. That is so tough. How do you even do that? How do you even do that? Okay. Oh no, that cut is insane. What? Yo, dude, these dudes be all over the place. Yeah, the cut is ridiculous, I'm not gonna lie. The cut is fucking crazy. Yo, Kadeem, are we playing Fortnite tonight? Who the fuck is that? Nah, cause yo, like Uzi, like imagine Uzi on any of these songs would be so tough. Uzi needs to get his heart broke. Oh my god. I wish I was Japanese. Who this? Chush. Yo, he's paying homage to Trav XXL Freshman Cypher? Really? What? What the fuck was that? What was that last one? What was that last one?